Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the Point program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is road tunnels in India. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Kuthiran tunnel in Thrissur-Palakkad section of National Highway 544 of Kerala was opened for movement. With the opening of the Kuthiran tunnel, the journey between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka is expected to become easier. Similarly, Banihal Quazigund tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir has also been opened for trial. With the construction of this tunnel, Kashmir will be able to be connected to other parts of India in all weather throughout the year. Now moving on to information about Kuthiran tunnel. This is the first road tunnel in Kerala state, which is located at Kuthiran in Thrissur district of Kerala. It is a twin tube tunnel with 3 lanes in each tube. It is located on National Highway 544, owned and operated by the National Highways Authority of India. Currently, only a part of this tunnel has been opened for traffic. It is a 1.6 km long tunnel that passes through the Pichi Vajhani Wildlife Sanctuary. This road tunnel also aims to improve connectivity between important ports and towns on the north-south corridor while keeping wildlife safe. Now shifting towards Banihal Quazigund Road Tunnel. It is 8.5 kilometers long all-weather high-tech tunnel constructed on NH44 located at an altitude of 5,800 feet above sea level. This tunnel has been named Highway of Progress. This tunnel will replace the Jawahar Tunnel located on the Banihal Pass. Jawahar Tunnel is located at an altitude of 2,194 meters, which was damaged due to avalanche. The Banihal Quazigund Road Tunnel has been constructed at a distance of 400 meters just below the Jawahar Tunnel. This tunnel, built at a cost of Rs 2,100 crore, has been constructed on the basis of Build, Operate and Transfer, that is BOT system. 124 jet fans, 234 modern CCTV cameras and firefighting systems have been installed in this tunnel. It has a robust ventilation system which will remove the old air and circulate the fresh air. With the construction of this tunnel, the distance between Banihal and Quazigund will be 16 km expected to decrease. Now moving on to other important road tunnels in India. First of all, Atal Tunnel. This road tunnel has been constructed by Border Roads Organization or BRO. It connects Manali with Lahaul Spiti Valley. Its length is 9.02 km. It was launched in 2010 and inaugurated in October 2020. Second, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Road Tunnel. This tunnel was earlier known as Chenani Nashri Tunnel. It is 9 km long tunnel, reduces the distance between Jammu and Srinagar up to 31 km. It is a single tube bi-directional tunnel. Third one, Zojila Tunnel. It is 14.15 km long tunnel that will facilitate all-weather traffic between Srinagar Valley and Leh or Ladakh Plateau on NH1. This will be the longest tunnel in Asia. The construction of this tunnel has been started in 2020. The target has been set to complete this project in the next 6 years. Now let's understand some other key facts related to this. The world's longest road tunnel, that is Lardal Tunnel, is located in the European country Norway. This 24.5 km or 15.23 meters long tunnel connects Bergen and Oslo. Gotthard Base Tunnel, length 57 km, located in Switzerland, is the longest rail tunnel in the world. Seikan Tunnel of Japan is the world's largest underwater tunnel. Now let's note the question for today. Match the following tunnels with their countries. On one side, tunnels are given and on the other side, countries are given. So, options for the tunnel are Banihal Quasi-Gund Tunnel, Second Tunnel, Gothard Base Tunnel and Lardal Tunnel. And countries are India, Norway, Japan and Switzerland. Options are A, A1, B2, C3 and D4. Option B is A1, B4, C2, D3. Option C is A1, B3, C2, D4. Or option D is A1, B3, C4, D2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. We will cover another topic in the next session. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.